Well, Russ here, RVerTV. How you doing today? We are on Jackson Highway. We're gonna make a right up here on Highway 124. It's gonna take us down to Ione, California. I got really good friends that live out here. I'm gonna visit with them for a day or so. But also, this town out here has a ton of history. This whole area actually has history. There's even some ghost stories and all kinds of stuff out here. But realistically, there's like wineries, there's RV parks, wineries, casinos. This was huge for gold mining, silver mining back in the day. And I believe there's still some commercial active mines going. We're about 35 miles southeast of Sacramento, right at the base of the Sierra Hills. Mountains, actually, not hills. And this goes, if you follow the foothills, you go all the way down towards like Stockton and all that. Okay, we're almost there. Go check it out. Plus there's a castle up here. We're going to see a castle. Yeah. Alright, be there soon. Okay, we made it. Big town of Ione. Gonna make a left up here. We'll drive through downtown real quick, and it won't take long. Town's pretty little. Make a left here. I'm not sure the name of the roads. Couple gas stations. I see pizza places. There's Ace Hardware back there. Little country store. Little shops here. Cool. Alright, here you go. Here's downtown Ione. Okay, sign across the street on that door says, "Welcome to Ione." This is it, downtown. Looks like they got all decorated. They got some summer festivals going. But you can see it's an old place. Old Tilly's Bar there on the right. There's a winery and they sell leather and saddle stuff there too. Guess they're real popular. Horses are huge out here, a lot of farms. Okay, let me get turned around. We'll drive back through. Check it out again. This is truly Old Town, USA, and back roads. Just what we want to see, huh? See that Newman sign painted on the old brick building? Got the balconies. When do you see balconies? Right there on the right, that's the cop shop, City Hall. They got a little train thing behind it. Now, up here on the right is the Ione Hotel. That is haunted. There's ghosts there. That's been well looked at. And also there's a little memorial park right here. That'll be great for Memorial Day coming up. Happy Memorial Day too, everyone. Alright, now just up the road here on the right hand side, gonna stop. We're gonna check out the Preston Castle. It used to be a school of industry for troubled youth for years, clear back in the 1800s. So I'm gonna head out my friend's place and we're gonna check that out just a little later, and that'll be the next part of this video. Okay, here you go. This is the Preston Castle in their grounds. We're going to come back later. They got a tour, a walking tour that you can go through. Here's a quick drone shot. This place is built in the late 1800s. Once again, it was a school industry for troubled youth. It's not been used since, I think, like 1955. Now there's a group that's trying to save it. They're going to restore the castle, turn into like a museum and motel, or not motel, hotel and that kind of stuff. Be pretty cool. But there's a good shot of Ione too. You can see it's a small community. Look at the greenery. A lot of agriculture here too. Okay, there's another shot. The castle, outbuildings. Still got all the old fencing up. And ghosts, supposed to be haunted too. Rob Lowe stayed there. They did a TV special here about a year ago. Alright, gonna go check it out here shortly. Alright, we made it. Look at this thing. Look at the awe of it. And it's still standing. About 120 some years old. Look at the tower. I mean, it's a lot of damage, but they put a new roof on it, and that's the first step of restoring it. They have walking tours, takes about an hour. We'll go in and I'll show you a little bit of it. But check that thing out, isn't that cool? Alright, big old granite steps here. Workers from Folsom and even San Quentin helped build this back in the 1800s. Brought them in by trains. Look at the wood. Big old doors. This is their little like museum. Interesting. They charge for it, but the donations go to the restoration, which is cool. And there's famous people that have stayed here. Look at all the old pictures. Probably one of the most famous was Merle Haggard, the country music singer Merle Haggard. There was movie actors, all kinds of different people that stayed here through the years. Way back in the early 1900s. Old uniform there. Pretty amazing. You got to watch a safety movie before they let you through. And there's Senator Preston. He's the one that created this back in the late 1800s. Look at that. Okay, here. There's the movie stars. There's Merle Haggard that stayed here. I think he did okay afterwards. Tennis pro, movie stars, way back in the 30s and 40s. Amazing. A boxer even. Okay, safety meeting's over. Look at the ceiling. Hopefully it don't fall in. Okay, we're gonna go wander around. And you can see they got a long way to go to fix it, but they're gonna restore this thing. A lot of structural. Living quarters of administrative staff. They used to burn coal for heat. No air conditioner here. That little fan was it. Dining room. This building here was for all the administrative people, the kids. Look at this. They have a movie you can watch. Talks about the whole history of what happened here. 7,500 acres. They actually was totally self-sustaining. Farming. Employed hundreds of people. Big time thing. Down the basement, they got a gift shop. You can buy books, souvenirs, postcards, everything and anything about the castle, and it all goes back to help restore this place. Out here in Ione or in the Jackson area, stop, check this thing out. They got tours every week. Look at that. Look at the clouds rolling over top. Isn't that pretty? If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button down below. Click the little bell icon to get notifications of future videos. So click the links. Help support the channel. Buy me a cup of coffee. Right down in the description. Alright, I'm going to sign off now. Hope everyone has a great day. Don't forget to travel safe. Talk soon.